Hello student, now I start exercise 3.3 which is based on bar graph. Bar graph is what? Bar graph is represent how to represent the data on graph. So in about this figure, like this figure is known as bar graph. Now question number first is use the bar graph to answer the following questions. आपको इस बार ग्राफ का या इस ग्राफ को देखकर आपको सम क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देना है. नाउ हियर डॉग्स, कैट, रैबिट्स, हैमस्टर एंड अदर्स, एंड हियर नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स के पास कितने के पास आपके पास ये मटेरियल ये अभी पेट्स अवेलेबल है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच इज़ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर पेट, which is the most popular pet, and second is how many students have dog as a pet. So we see this graph. So which is the most popular pet? Highest value is what? This 10. So maximum number is 10. It means which is the most popular pet? So कौन है ये? Cat. So cat is the most popular pet. The answer is the most popular pet is cat. Now second is how many students have dog as a pet. So dog, how many students? So dog has a 8 students. So answer is 8. It means 8 children have dog as a pet. Now question number second is read the bar graph which show the number of books should be a book store during 5 consecutive years and answer the following question. आपको ये बार ग्राफ गिवन है, इसको आपको रीड करके फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देना है. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज about how many books were sold in 1989, 1990 and 1992. So we see this bar graph and conclude that in 1989 how many? So approx 100 or 200 के मिड है. So approx we let is 170. And in 1990 how many? So in 1990 we conclude that कहाँ है वैल्यू 400 and फिर 500 के मिड. So we or near about 500. So we let is 475. Now in 1992 value is above than 200 but less above more, तो मतलब 200 से जस्ट थोड़ा सा ही ज़्यादा है. So we take as 225. Now question number second is in which year? Question number second is in which year were about 475 books sold and about 225 books sold. आपको ईयर बताना है किसमें. सो कौन सा ईयर है वो आप देखिए. बार ग्राफ को आप सी कीजिए तो इन 1990 हाईएस्ट वैल्यू इज 475. सो इन द ईयर 1990 अबाउट 470 बुक्स वर सोल्ड. इन 1992 हाउ मेनी बुक्स? सो 225 books. It means 225 books were sold. Now question number third is in which year were fewer than 250 books sold. So in which year? So now कितनी बुक्स बता रहा है? 250. So 250 एक तो आपका कौन सा ईयर है? 1989 and second one is 1989 and second one is 1992. So answer is fewer than 250 books were sold in the year is 1989 and 1992. Now question number fourth is can you explain how you would estimate the number of books sold in 1989. So 1989 100 से ज़्यादा है और 200 के जस्ट नियर है. सो आंसर इज इट कैन बी एस्टिमेट यूजिंग द हाइट ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल 100 बुक्स. सो वी इजीली estimate. So do now question number 3 is number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent the data on bar graph. आपको 6 चिल्ड्रंस के डिफरेंट क्लास, नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस इन 6 डिफरेंट क्लास गिवन है, तो आपको बार ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट करना है और सम क्वेश्चंस के आंसर गिवन देना है. सो क्लास एंड नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट, फिफ्थ 135 इन 6, 120, 7 in 95, 8 100, 9th 90 and 10th 80. So first question is, how would you choose a scale? So first we draw a bar graph. So bar graph start with the scale 0, highest value is 135. So we take the difference of 10 10 10. So we 10 0 10 20 30 up to 140, and here it is number of children, also write number of children. Here class is what, 5th 6 7 8 9 and 10. Also write this scale is 1 unit, we take 1 unit equal difference कितना 10 10 children का लिया है, so 1 unit equal 10 children. Now this is a representation of bar graph. Now question B first is, which class has the maximum number of children and the minimum number of children? So maximum number of children in which class? Highest is 135, so in 5th class, and minimum number is 10th class. So answer is in 5th class has the maximum number of children and the minimum number of children in 10th class. Now second question is, find the ratio of the student of class 6 to the student of class 8. Class 6 and class 8 के students का ratio, what is the ratio? So in student ratio of class 6 and 8 is, in student in class 6 is 120 and in 8 is 100. So we divide by 21, so we get 6:5. So answer is 6:5. Now question number 4 is, the performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double graph. Here it is given that in also performance in first term test and second term test. Draw a double bar graph choosing approximate scale and answer the following. आपको given है subject and marks in first term and in second term. So Hindi 67 and 70, English 67 and 70, Hindi 72 and 65, Maths 88 and 95, Science 81, and 85, and in SS 73 and 75. So in which subject has the child improved his performance the most, and second one is, in which subject is the improvement the least, and third one is, has the performance gone down in any subject. So first we draw bar graph. So double bar graph, the graph is, now scale, we take scale is 10 centimeter, 10 marks. So we difference is 0 10 20 30. Here is the performance of a student, and in English, Hindi, Maths, Science and SS it is subject. So we also draw a arrow symbol. So now जो आपको सेकेंड बार ग्राफ दिख रहा है हर एक का, वो आपको डार्क करना है, ये वाला सेकेंड हर एक के अंदर, इधर सेकेंड वाला जो है आपको वो डार्क करना है. सो इन इंग्लिश फर्स्ट टर्म टेस्ट वी गेट only 67, so 67 is near about 70, and second is 72, so we get 70, and in Hindi first term test is 72 and second is 65. In third term test 88 and 95, in fourth 81 and 85. So now in SS 73 and 75. So first question is, in which subject the child improve her performance the most. So now we can see this double bar graph. In mathematics first term test we get only 88 marks, but in second we get 95 marks. So 7 marks is increased. So performance improve in mathematics. Now second is, in which subject it is improvement least? In which subject improve performance is least? So which subject? In SS. In SS the performance is very second one, in essays the child has improved his performance least. It means only he gets 73 to 75, only 2 marks can improve. Now in third is, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, the performance has gone down in Hindi, because in first term we get 72 marks, but in second text only he gets 65 marks. Now question number 5 is, consider the data collected from a survey of a colony. So we get information: favorite sports, watching and participating. Cricket is watching 1240 and participating 620. Similarly basketball 470 and 320. Now swimming 510 and 320, hockey 430 and 250, athletes 250 and 105. So draw a double bar graph choosing an approximate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? First we draw a bar graph. So the bar graph is, now we take 1 centimeter equal 100%, because person is 100, 200, 1300, 1200. So we take 1 centimeter equal, so we difference is 100. So 0, 100, 200, 300, 400 up to 1300, because highest value is 1240. So we take as a 1300. Now cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletes. Now first is watching is 1240, so it is up to 1200. So we draw. And watching, participating is only 620, so up to 600 we draw. Now basketball is watching 470, so 470 is near about 500, so we draw. And participating 320, so 320 is just about to 300, we draw. Now swimming is watching 510, so 510 is just near about 500, so we draw. Now swimming participating is 320, 320 is also near to 300. Now hockey is watching 430, 430 is just near to 400, up to 400. And participating is 250, 250 is mid value of 200 and 300. Now athletes is watching 250, 250 is near to between 200 and 300. And participating 105, it is just about to 100. So now we draw a double bar graph. Now we answer the following questions. Question is, which sports is most popular? Now first infer भी क्या, it is inferred that more people performing cricket and less athletes. सबसे ज़्यादा परफॉर्म कौन क्रिकेट में करते हैं, सबसे लेस किस में, एथलीट्स में. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज विच स्पोर्ट इज मोर पॉपुलर. सो हाईएस्ट ग्राफ इज क्रिकेट, सो मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट इज क्रिकेट. नाउ थर्ड वन इज विच इज मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड वाचिंग और पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन स्कोर. वाचिंग इन मोस्ट पार्टिसिपेटिंग देन watching is most preferred than participating. It means जो आपके पर्सन है वो स्पोर्ट्स को वाचिंग ज़्यादा करते हैं कंपेयर टू पार्टिसिपेटिंग. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज, take the data given the minimum and the maximum temperature of various city given in the beginning of the chapter. Table number 3.1. Please see table number 3.1 in front of the starting, when the chapter is starting. Here given the temperature of cities. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer. आपको double bar graph plot करना है और following answer को given करना है. Now first question is, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date. So first we draw a bar graph. So we conclude by table 3.1. We can observe the temperature of cities on a date 20.26/2006. So city Ahmedabad maximum temperature is 38 and minimum is 29. So we take temperature, highest temperature is 41. So we take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So one scale we take 10 centimeter. एंड मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर एंड मिनिमम टेम्परेचर. मिनिमम टेम्परेचर जो है आपको शेडेड करना है. इट मीन्स ये जो आपको बार की सेकेंड वाली थिंग्स दिख रही है हर एक इस पर्टिकुलर में, इसको आपको शेड करना है. ओके, नाउ हर एक में अहमदाबाद वाली में फर्स्ट को सिंपल बनाना है, सेकेंड को शेड करना है. अमृतसर वाली में फर्स्ट को सिंपल, सेकेंड को, हर एक की सेकेंड वाली जो आपकी बार है उसको आपको शेडेड करना है. इट मीन्स इसको डार्क करना है. ओके, नाउ first question is what? In which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature of the given data? So the city Jammu has the largest difference in the maximum and minimum temperature of given data, because Jammu has largest temperature is what? Largest temperature is 41 and minimum temperature is 26. So difference is larger is Jammu. Now question number second is what? Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? So answer is Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city, because Jammu has maximum temperature is 41 and minimum temperature is Bangalore. So Bangalore is coldest city. Now question number third is name two cities whose maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. Two city के name mention करना है. तो the name of two city where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other are Bangalore and Jaipur, and Bangalore and Ahmedabad. So it is larger temperature. Okay, now question number 4 is name the city which has least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर की लिस्ट ऐसी सिटी कौन सी है? सो मुंबई हैज़ द लीस्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मिनिमम एंड द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर. वाई? बिकॉज maximum temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and minimum is 27. So difference is only 5 degrees Celsius. So least difference between minimum and maximum temperature, the city is Mumbai. Thank you.